Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off sound effect on Gardenscapes game. To turn off the sound effect on Gardenscapes, first of all, open up the Gardenscapes application on your device, and once you end up in this gameplay screen, click on the settings button at the top right corner. Now within the settings menu, you will see a music note and the speaker icon at the bottom, which you should press on. Tap on both of the options and you will then be able to see a little red line or red slash covering both of these buttons, which will then mute or turn off your sound effect on the game. That way you can easily turn off sound on Gardenscapes and enjoy the sound-free experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Gardenscapes tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.